Hi students, today we discuss the eccentric angle of a point. Eccentric angle ECCENTRIC, eccentric angle. See here, this point is Px comma y is a point on the ellipse. So, okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Let Px comma y be a point on the ellipse and draw Pn perpendicular to major axis. Produce Pn to meet the auxiliary circle at P dash. If angle P dash, this is Cn, is equal to theta, then theta is called eccentric angle of the point x comma y with respect to the ellipse. Okay, so here let Px comma y be a point on ellipse. Ellipse means x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And Pn is the ordinate of the point P. That means draw Pn perpendicular to this major axis. Pn is the ordinate of the point P. And produce Pn to meet the auxiliary circle at P dash. That is Pn to meet the auxiliary circle at P dash. If angle P dash Cn is equal to theta, this is theta, then theta is called eccentric angle. Eccentric angle of the point P with respect to the ellipse. What about auxiliary circle equation? X square plus y square equal to a square, that is equation of auxiliary circle. Now from the triangle P dash Cn, cos theta is equal to, cos theta means Cn by Cp dash. Cn by Cp dash. That is equal to Cn means what? X comma y is, this is x and this is y. So this is x. And the Cp dash is what? A radius of auxiliary circle, which is A. Radius of auxiliary circle. That is equal to x by A. Cos theta equal to, implies x is equal to a cos theta. X is a cos theta. X comma y lies on the ellipse. So x comma y, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where x is a cos theta. So a square cos square theta by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore y square by b square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to sin square theta. Therefore y square is equal to b square sin square theta. Y is equal to b sin theta. Where theta is what? Where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay. Therefore x is equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta are the parametric equations of the ellipse. Therefore x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta are parametric equations of the ellipse. Okay, and the parametric coordinates are a cos theta. So p coordinates are what? A cos theta comma b sin theta. So these are the parametric coordinates of the ellipse, and it is denoted by p theta. That is p theta. Okay, just write down. So these are the a cos theta, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta are called the parametric equations, and the parametric coordinates are a cos theta comma b sin theta. So these are called parametric coordinates, and it is also denoted by, this is p theta. Theta means a cos theta, b sin theta, and here p dash is called corresponding point of p. P dash is called corresponding point of p, and the p dash coordinates are, p dash means what? Which lies on circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. So its coordinates are a cos theta comma a sin theta, parametric coordinates. So p dash coordinates a cos theta comma a sin theta. A sin theta. These are the parametric coordinates of circle with the center 0, 0, radius a. X is equal to a plus r cos theta, y equal to b plus r sin theta, where a comma b is center of circle and r is radius. So here the parametric coordinates of circular, so these coordinates a cos theta comma a sin theta. This is called corresponding point of p. Now we have theorem. The equation of chord joining the points. The equation of chord theorem. Equation of chord joining the points with parametric angles. With eccentric angles, with eccentric angles alpha and beta on the ellipse. On the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is x by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is equation of chord joining the 2 points with eccentric angles alpha and beta. So that means what? This is here ellipse. So this point is P alpha, this point is Q beta. 2 points on the ellipse. Let the point is what? P alpha means what? P alpha, that is equal to A cos alpha and B sin alpha, where alpha is eccentric angle, and the coordinates of Q A cos beta and B sin beta. So, okay, so this point is x1 by 1 and this point is x2 by 2 are 2 points on the ellipse. Now equation of chord. So equation of PQ is, by using the formula, so this is x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. So this is equation of chord joining 2 points. Now x minus x1, where x1 is, so this is A cos alpha by x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2, A is taking common, cos alpha minus cos beta is equal to y minus y1, y minus y1 is B sin alpha by, so y1 minus y2, take B is taking common, so this is sin alpha minus sin beta, sin alpha minus sin beta. Now dividing by A, that means what? This A comes here, so this is what? X by A minus cos alpha. So by A, x by A cancel, that is cos alpha, by this is cos C minus cos D form. This is cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to, by using this is cos C minus cos D minus 2 cos C plus D by 2, sorry, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into this is sin C minus D by 2 is equal to this side also, so this is y by b minus sin alpha by sin C minus sin D. So this is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin, this is alpha minus beta by 2. This is cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. Okay, now then we are cross multiplying. Okay, just write down. So this is by cross multiplication. So this is x by a minus cos alpha into, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to, it is minus is there, minus of y by b minus sin alpha into sin of, so this is sin of alpha plus beta by 2 by cross multiplication. So, if you are multiplying these two, x by a cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha into cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to, so this is minus y by b into sin alpha plus beta by 2 and minus into minus plus this is sin alpha into sin of alpha plus beta by 2. So this is x by a cos of x by a. So by cross multiplication, I think it is alpha. So this is also alpha. It is alpha. X by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus, you take this side, plus y by b into sin of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, you write that side. Then this is what? Cos alpha into this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha into sin of alpha plus beta by 2. Okay. Now this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B form. So this is what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So which is cos of A minus B. So this is cos of alpha minus of alpha plus beta by 2. That equal to cos of, this is 2 alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so this is x by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to this. So this is the equation of chord joining 2 points with eccentric angles alpha and beta. So this is one important result. So from this note, if the chord is a focal chord, so this is P alpha and Q beta. If the chord is a focal chord, implies it passes through focus. What is focus? AE comma 0 or S dash minus AE comma 0. This is also a chord. If the chord is a focal chord, implies it passes through focus. Okay, there are two foci, AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0, but we have to take this result, AE comma 0. If you take minus AE comma 0, so you have another result. If the chord is if the chord PQ is a focal chord, so it passes through focus, focus, I am taking the focus is AE comma 0. Suppose if you take the focus is AE comma 0, if minus AE comma 0, you have another value, AE comma 0. So in place of x and y, write AE comma 0. So this is what? AE by A. So this is E. AE by A into this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2. And this is 0 is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So this gets cancelled. Implies E is equal to, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 by this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2. So this is E. E means what? I can write E by 1. Now for this you are applying componendo and dividendo. Okay, so this is E. Now, so E is equal to, by applying by componendo and dividendo. So that is E plus 1 by E minus 1 is equal to, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2 by, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2 by applying componendo and dividendo. That is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. So this is 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos beta by 2 by cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is equal to 2 sin A sin B. So this is 2 sin of alpha by 2 into sin of beta by 2. So these two gets cancelled. By applying, this is cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D form, or cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B, 2 sin A sin B. So this is cos by sin, so this is cot alpha by 2 into this is cot beta by 2. So this is E plus 1 by E minus 1 implies E minus 1 by E plus 1 is equal to, so this is tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. So this is also one result. Okay, if it passes through the focus AE comma 0. If it passes through minus AE comma 0, just you have another value. So, and also, what about E is equal to this one? So, this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 by cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, now for this I am multiplying and dividing by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. So this is this equal to, so this is 2 sin A sin B by using 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is equal to sin A. So this is 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, which is equal to sin A. So this is the sin of, this is alpha minus beta, sin of alpha minus beta by, so this is 2 sin of alpha minus beta by 2 into cos of alpha plus beta by 2. That is equal to sin of alpha minus beta by 2 sin A cos B is equal to 2 sin A, I can write here 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Okay, 2 sin A cos B equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Now this is sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B means what? Adding these two. Okay, beta gets cancelled. So this is what? Alpha. And plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. A minus B is what? So this is sin of A minus B. Alpha cancel, minus beta. So this is minus beta. That is equal to, this result is sin of alpha minus beta by, so this is sin alpha minus sin beta. So this is one result. Suppose if you are multiplying and dividing by, so this is 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta. Now denominator becomes sin, just again sin A form. So there is also one result. Next one, the equation of tangent at p theta to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is equation of tangent x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. Tangent means what? Same as equation of tangent, that is S1 equal to 0. Okay, now this is the point. P theta means A cos theta, comma B sin theta. Now what is equation of tangent? S1 equal to 0. Equation of tangent is S1 equal to 0, where S1 is xx1 by A square plus yy1 by B square minus 1 equal to 0. What is x and y1? A cos theta, B sin theta. So this is x into A cos theta by A square, y into B sin theta by B square minus 1 equal to 0. That is x cos theta by A plus y sin theta by B minus 1 equal to 0. So this is tangent equation. And the normal equation. So this is tangent. And what is equation of normal? So equation of normal at the point x1 y1 is, at the point x1 comma y1 is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square, where x1 comma y1 is a cos theta and b sin theta. So a square x by a cos theta minus b square y by b sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Now here a, 1a gets cancelled, b, 1b cancelled. So this is ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equation of normal, and this is equation of tangent at the point P theta. Next one, the condition that the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 is a normal to the ellipse. Is a normal to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is a square by l square plus b square by m square equal to a square minus b square whole square by n square. So condition for normal. You know the condition for tangent. What is the condition for tangent? A square L square plus B square M square equal to N square. That is the condition for tangent. But here the condition for normal is this one. Normal. See here, the line is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. So this is a normal. At the point P theta, let the point is P theta, equation of normal. Here given, see here, Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. So it is a normal. Is a normal. Now the equation of normal at the point P theta. What is the equation of normal? Equation of normal at P theta is Ax by, just now only you have to derive Ax by cos theta plus By by sin theta is equal to A square minus B square. Equation of normal at the point. Okay, now I think it is minus a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Now this is second one. One is a normal and this is also a normal. So since 1 and 2 represents the same lines, so comparing their coefficients. So 1 and 2 represents same. So x coefficient is L, x coefficient is A by cos theta is equal to M by, so this is minus B by sin theta is equal to, so this is minus N, because that you can write that side, minus N by A square minus B square. Okay, so this is L cos theta by A is equal to minus M sin theta by B is equal to minus N by A square minus B square. From this, cos theta is equal to, equating to this first and last, cos theta equal to minus NA by L into A square minus B square, cos theta equal to, and equating these two, that is sin theta is equal to sin theta, minus minus gets cancelled, so this is Bn by M into A square minus B square. Now by eliminating theta, that is locus. So how to eliminate? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, squaring and adding. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to, cos square theta means, so this is by squaring n square A square by L square into A square minus B square whole square plus sin square theta. Sin square theta is B square N square or N square B square by M square into A square minus B square whole square, squaring and cross multiplication. So this is 1 is equal to, here A square by, if you take n square by A square minus B square whole square is taking common. So this is what, A square by L square plus B square by M square Okay, now this part we take this side. That implies what? A square by L square plus B square by M square is equal to A square minus B square whole square by N square. So this is the condition that the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 is a normal to the ellipse S equal to 0. So while solving the problems, the conditions are most important. To find the locus of some problems, if you know the conditions, okay, so you feel more comfort. So these are very important conditions. Suppose you can take one problem. The locus of midpoints of normal chords of the ellipse. The locus of midpoints of normal chords. Midpoints of normal chords. Chords of ellipse. S equal to 0 is. S means what? Standard ellipse equation. X square by A square plus Y square by B square equal to 1. That is the standard ellipse equation. Just see here how to let x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of chord. So if x1 y1 is the midpoint of chord, then what is the equation of chord? Implies equation of chord is S1 is equal to S11. What is S1? Xx1 by A square plus yy1 by B square minus 1 is equal to x1 square by A square plus y1 square by B square minus 1. So, okay, so these gets cancelled. So this is x1 by A square into x plus y1 by B square into y. You take this side, minus of x1 square by A square plus y1 square by B square is equal to 0. Now this is just like Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Since it is a normal, what is the given question? The locus of midpoints of normal chords. Locus of midpoints of normal chords. Since 1 is a normal. Here since 1 is a normal. Now the condition for normal. What is the condition? Implies the condition is A square by L square plus B square by M square is equal to A square minus B square whole square by N square. So this is the formula condition. Okay. Now A square by L square. This is L. L square is x1 square by A power 4 plus B square by, this is M square y1 square by b power 4 is equal to a square minus b square whole square by n square. The whole thing is n. So this is x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square whole square. Okay. Now by cross multiplication, so this becomes what? Therefore the locus is cross multiplication. So this becomes a power 6. So a power 6 by x square plus b power 6 by y square. B power 6 by y square. Cross multiplication. This is x square by a square plus y square by b square whole square. This is equal to a square minus b square whole square. So this is the locus. So if you know the condition, so the problem is simple. If you don't know, it is too lengthy. So the conditions are very, very important. Okay, thank you.